Hey guys, I hope that you're doing great today because in this video, I will be discussing stocks that can give you easy money and that can give out 10 times the return. Now, there are two ways to play this genomic revolution. First, you can just simply follow Cathie Woods in investing in RG. Now, the second one is I highly recommend you to invest in stocks that have high upside potentials like Tesla, RG. Now, ETF has had some great performance for the year. It was trading at 33.34 on January 7, 2020. Right now, it is trading at $105.73. Now, 3 times the returns are far from Tesla's 800% returns. Now, in this video today, I will be discussing the 3 stocks that are part of ARKGI that have high upside returns. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. Now, the first in the list is Pacific Biosciences. Just a few months ago, PACB was considered to be a penny stock, but right now it is trading about $37. It increases about 100+% in just a few months and about 250% in just 2 years, and I will tell you why. The goals of this company are to help the scientists with accurate long-read sequencing. The innovative devices that this company produces are based on single-molecule real-time sequencing technology, which helps the scientist in identifying a comprehensive view of genomes, transcriptomes, and epigenomes, in which they get a full view of the genetic variation in any organism. Based on Ark Invest, the price that costs to sequence a human genetic is dropping to less than $600, and it is expected to drop less than $100 for the next 5 years. PacBio's price of long-read sequencing could approach that of short-read sequencing. This goal can bring innovation to the genome industry, and the long-term financial warp will be huge. Now, this is different from other NGS vendors. PacBio's design cuts down its time sequel to the system for downstream analysis by 70%. It also cuts off the cost of storage that data by 90%. Now, on the precision, FDA 2.0 challenged PacBio dominates all of its competitors' technology. Right now, PacBio is considered as the industry's leader, and that is evident in the stock price of PacBio with their achievement. On January 8, 2021, Wellcome Sanger Institute said that they are going to purchase 7 new sequels to system, and they are going to upgrade their current sequel to systems in which are based on time sequencing technology, and to upgrade its long-read sequencing power for the current and future works. Now, genomics innovators like Invitae and Children's Mercy Hospital are also upgrading from short-read to long-read genomic technology, and this will open some big business opportunities for the market leader PacBio. Now, PacBio stock has increased its return by about 680% year by year, and that is big. PacBio still has a great potential to generate more returns in the year of 2021. As of now, PacBio has a stable income stream, and the companies have a strong financial state with about $2 billion in cash and equivalents, and it comprises 70% of the company's total assets. Now, the company has enough financing to spend for its R&D for the next 3 years. It is expected that when the sequel 2 systems hit the market, the stock price will go upside. Now, there are signs that the stock price will go up because for the past few weeks, the stock price of PacBio gained a 41% peak. Now, Cathie Woods is very interested in this stock and put up a lot of his money into it. Now, Cathie puts up more than 7% weight on this stock and the largest holding of ARKG. Now, the next stock that we are going to talk about today is CRISPR Therapeutics. Now, this company is a gene editing company that has a $13 billion market capitalization. This company is one of a small number of biotech companies that can cure serious diseases through its gene editing innovations that is called the CRISPR Cas9 platform. Now, the investment view of this is that you are going to buy shares of these companies before they skyrocket. Right now, the company has 9 product candidates that are considered to be game changers in the industry. Compared to its competitors, Crisp is way ahead in product development and testing. 2 of its products, which are CDX1 for treatment of transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia and sickle disease, CDX110 for CD19 plus B-cell malignancies, are now undergoing clinical testing. Just imagine, CRISPR opened the code and successfully brought one product on the market. Now, the expected results would be insane in terms of financial impact. Now, the company gained over 200% returns in the last 12 months. But as of now, the company does not have any product that is available on the market, but the value of the stock increased from $14 to $193, and that is based only on the launching of its product. The $13 billion market cap of the company is so small compared to the trillions of dollar target market in gene editing. Now, the company has a very good financial status, having $1.37 billion cash and equivalents, which compose 91% of their total assets. This shows that the company has enough money to spend in the next 3 years. As of January 7, 2021, the company's stock price sits around $193. Now, just think of this company. If this company's stock is playing at this level with 0 sales on its product, then imagine what if they gained sales from their products. Cathie Wood thinks about this company, and that's why it's the 4th largest stock in ARKG and 3rd in Ark funds. Now, the next company is 10 Times Genomics. Now, the business of this company is all about life science technology, building products to interrogate, understand, and master biology. A lot of investors now focus on genomics and chase genomic stocks aggressively. Chromium is a single-cell analysis platform, which is the reason why the stock price increases. It is predicted that the global single-cell genomics analysis platform maker market will go upside at an annual rate of 23% until 2023. In the 3rd quarter of 2020, the company released immune profiling solution and gene expression plus ATAC sequence multiple solution. Now, the products are greatly welcomed by the market, and it is expected to give the company some sales and revenues in years to come. Also, this company has acquired ReadCore and Cortana, which resulted in money spending, but the company just successfully gained a public offering where it generated $482.2 million. Now, as a result of this, the liquidity of the company is in good status. For the past months, the company gained about 75% of its earnings on its revenues. Quarter 3 of 2020 has better performance than the quarter of 2019 at 17%. Cathie Wood has taken a huge position in this stock with a 3% holding in his portfolio. Now, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.